Hello students, last day I taught you basic formula of trigonometry. Right now I am going to start trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. For this we have to draw an equilateral triangle and also draw a perpendicular AD from A to BC. Let ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to 2A, and each angle is equal to 60 degree. Now write down BD equal to DC equal to A, and in triangle ADB angle B equal to 60 degree, angle D equal to 90 degree. So by angle sum property, so angle A equal to 30 degree by angle sum property. Now come to in triangle ADB, BD equal to A, AB equal to 2A, and AD equal to what? We have to find out AD by applying Pythagoras formula. AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Now putting the value AB equal to A square equal to AD square plus A square. Now find the value of AD square. 4A square equal to A square plus AD square. Hence AD square will be equal to 4A square minus A square. AD square equal to 3A square. Hence AD equal to root under 3A square. Hence AD equal to A root under 3. Now find out the trigonometric ratio of 60 degree. Find out the sin 60 degree. Formula you know, basic formula AD by AB. AD equal to how much? A root under 3 divided by 2a equal to root under 3 by 2. Now come to cos 60 degree. Formula is your BD by AB. BD is equal to how much? A, and AB is 2a. A will be cancelled, equal to 1 by 2. Now come to tan 60 degree. AD by BD. AD is equal to A root under 3 divided by A. A will be cancelled, value will be root 3. Complete. Now come to sin 30 degree. Your basic formula is sin 30 BD by AB. BD is your A divided by 2A. A will be cancelled, it will be equal to 1 by 2. Now come to cos 30 degree. Base is how much? AD is your base divided by AB. AD equal to how much? A root under 3 divided by 2A. A will be cancelled, equal to root under 3 by 2. Tan 30 degree. Now come to tan 30 degree. BD equal to BD by AD. BD is your A divided by A root under 3. A will be cancelled, 1 by root under 3. Completed. These are the values of sin 30 and 60 degree. Okay. Next day I will solve some important questions from exercise 8.2.